A solution's pH is given by that function, and this function is on your paper, of course, but P of T, it's not P times T, it's P of T, it's a way of writing the function, is negative log of T. And the next part is going to be very important in solving the problem. It says where T is the hydronium ion concentration, and don't get lost in the chemistry of the whole thing, but T is the hydronium ion concentration. Whether we know the meaning of those words or not, that phrase is going to become important. And it's in moles per liter in case you need to know the units. And then a sample of the coffee has a pH of 5.0. So T is the hydronium ion concentration in moles per liter, and then pH is 5.0, and then it says, what is the approximate hydronium ion concentration of the sample? So question, what are we looking for? Knowing that they gave us the pH, which is really the P of T, because the pH is given by that function. So when they give you the pH, they're giving you this, and then they say the approximate hydronium concentration. What is it? Well, they're asking for T. So we have to solve this for T. The most obvious thing to do would probably be to plug in 5 into T. But we don't. Instead, we're going to put a 5 right here. So it's really going to be 5 equals negative log of T. And now we have to solve this for T. Okay? Here goes. You may want to rearrange this if you want, and as we've been doing, you may want to draw hard on your paper, and that's perfectly fine. I'm going to do something that's completely necessary. Let's divide by -1. That negative right there is just killing me. I don't like it. So we have -5 equals log of T. And the next step I'm about to write is slightly useless, but we'll go with it anyway. Log T equals -5. And now we're going to draw the heart, starting with the understood 10. I hope you said 10 in your head right there. 10 to the -5 is equal to T. And so knowing that 10 to the -5 is equal to T, we've already found the answer. Now, I realize that at this point, you're probably grabbing a calculator or waiting on me to grab one, and I'm not. Because we have 10 to the -5, and we have to figure out what that means. So 10 to the -5 is really, I'm going to get crazy here. I want to pull out some old school algebra. This is really the same thing as 1 over 10 to the 5th. Well, what's 10 to the 5th? 10 to the 5th, well, this is equal to T, by the way. So T is really, as a good old-fashioned fraction, you got to be careful with that, a good old-fashioned fraction, it's going to be 1 over, and then 5 zeros, 5. So T is 1/100,000th. And we need to find the answer that matches that. So if you type any of these in your calculator, you're going to get, I think it's going to be like 1e -5 or something along those lines. So it really doesn't answer your question. You still have to know the structure of these things in order to pick the correct answer, because all the answers are like 0.00001, 0.00001, and you need to know which one it is. So we need to find the one that is 1/100,000th. I have led you right up to the answer. I'm not going to give you the answer on this one. I believe you can find it.